Oh. Like, what are you doing?
Yeah.
You're trying to creep her in right now.
Yeah. People are probably like, what are these people doing?
Exactly. You're just like holding it up.
Whatever. I'll do whatever I want. Tell them how happy school's over.
Couldn't be better.
You're like glowing.
Oh, my driver's side tires.
Cool.
And off the rim. That's good stuff. That's bad.
Hi, Shug.
Ejection is right. Look at all these rednecks. Oh god, we're gonna get ran over.
There's a car coming for me. There's one, dipshit. I'm right in front of you.
Oh, what a dumb bitch.
God, I hate people.
Yep, that's right. We drive a PT Cruiser.
That's one there is. You know what's kind of cool?
Your car's warm?
Yeah.
Is that really what you were gonna say?
No.
Oh. Okay,
That's cool too, though. No, like we were videotaping when we got to school, and now we're out of school. It's like it didn't happen. We weren't in school at all.
And now we get to go driving. We get to see ourselves.
Alright,
because I'm lazy. I don't have my permit yet.
So we're gonna hopefully not get killed on the way home today.
We almost did this morning. That was cool.
Yeah, real amazing.
Oh my god! What the fuck? You stupid fucking idiot! Who does that shit? We almost killed ourselves! Oh my god! I hope these viewers get to witness an awesome car accident. That'll make me happy.
Oh, the sun's so bright.
Oh my god.
Great, look at that little fancy Hummer right there, that sucks balls.
It's like,
so much better.
It's like, wow, I have a Hummer. I'm digging the environment. I'm killing panda bears right now.
So, is that a law that, like, buses don't have to follow the road rules?
Oh,
do whatever?
They can do whatever the fuck they
that
want.
That bugs me so much. Like, oh.
I know.
Really dampen my day.
Some middle schooler drove their fucking snowmobile to school? What is this? What is this?
I love waiting in line.
It's so nice and warm. We need some music.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I broke it. Just some fake background music. Nice. I'm so distracted. Listening to this music wants me to, I just want me to drive by right now. Do you have a gun in here? Yeah. How come there's so many fat middle schoolers?
Why is there so many fat Americans? Because of the fast food products that are like given out. Like McDonald's. I hate McDonald's. Oh my god. I love watching other food taste.
We better not say anything though. We'll get sued.
I said it's yummy.
Oh, I'm just saying we better not say anything bad. We're professional. Bad shit. That's basically what they were doing.
I've heard her throw someone like that. Ah! Let's talk like that for a whole day.
Let's not.
Let's
talk
do it.
Screamo for a whole day. I don't even know how to do Screamo.
Let's go to Walmart and be like, where's the crap?
It's not even Screamo.
I was laughing while I was doing it.
You sound like a dying bird. And I'm not going to try to do Screamo.
You are such a party pooper. I like that.
I'm such a pessimist. She ran into a bench for weightlifting or whatever.
Mission went out.
And I tripped over a garbage can again.
Tripped over a garbage can?
Did I tell you?
Did you land in it?
No, I tripped over it and there was paper everywhere.
Damn.
It was an Theasaur today. It was really embarrassing. Oh my god, stop driving like a psycho.
I'm not! I'm waiting for this guy to turn.
You're just jerking forward. Hear that? That is the NOS we got in this baby. Oh my god.
I don't like driving behind slow people.
So you gotta speed so everyone else can have the benefit?
Yes!
How fast are you going? She's going 45 in the 35.
That is not that bad, okay?
That's not that bad, but
And we're going up the hill. I had to get some momentum to make it through. Gangsta.
Like gangster screamo. What is this?
The best fucking music ever.
Who creates this?
Many, many more.